Do you want to know something crazy to me? Is everyone is so worried about getting older, like, oh, I'm 32 again for like 50 years. That's the thing to me, is like, when I see model homes like this, I cannot wait to be able to live in a 55 and better community. Oh, do you want to see it? Let's go check it out. This house could literally be a resort. Would you guys like to check in? Come on. But of course, by Demi Fashion, prior to us doing that whole entire tour, I'm gonna show you my favorite features in the property. Let's go check them out. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love windows, I love natural lighting. Look at this, you guys. Ah! Also, I'm getting lighting from the front door too. And I actually like this about this floor plan. So the front door is over, thank you, friend, right here. And there's nothing once you go over here, which means that when I'm eating dinner, someone knocking at my door can't see me, okay? Because my husband, I love glass windows. I just love the natural light, obviously, coming through. But I do understand that strangers can see me when I'm avoiding them at the front door. But the kitchen, you can't tell if I'm cooking. You have no idea. You don't know that I'm home. I'm over there having ramen because I bought an expensive house. No, I'm just kidding. You guys will actually get a good deal through me, so you won't have to eat ramen, right? But also on this side. So then you have that, can't see me because I'm cooking. And also you have over here where you could be entertaining, having a good time, avoiding the neighbor that you didn't invite. Yeah, you didn't invite them. Now, something I really love that they did here, because 55 and better, you guys love playing pickleball, right? Well, look at this. You can invite everyone from the court inside of the shower. Don't do this. This isn't the Villages, but this is huge. You do need a rain shower. That's kind of missing in this, but this is huge. Now this is an upgrade because I'm sure it does not come standard, because what in model homes does come standard? I should do a video on that. It'll be a very short video because not much comes standard, because they deck it all out to make you guys fall in love. But this bathroom is absolutely beautiful. And of course, we're gonna do a little dance. You guys know I love it. Look at this. So when I'm doing my makeup, I don't have to worry if it's orange lighting or anything like that. Natural. You guys ever wonder, I just carry you around like this. And this is how short I am if you're like 5'11". I never realized how short I am compared to you guys sometimes. Let's go check out the Bucks room. Check this out. It's like a hidden bar. I feel like that's a speakeasy over there. This would be a blast. I play bunko in my neighborhood. I love bunko. If you have a bunko party over here, I'll join too. I just love bunko. But this is beautiful. I mean, of course, everything's upgraded, everything's cool, but this is sweet. And I bet you could probably transition this into a powder bath if you wanted to. But this is really cool. Here, come on in here with me. I'll take you with me. Look at this. Of course, you'll see it in the full walkthrough, but it's more fun when I get to carry you around with me. Look at this. Who drank all my liquor? A little bit more. 100 proof. 1992, that was a good year. I wasn't born yet. I was in 93, if you're curious. Another thing that I definitely saw when I was walking throughout this model that you guys will see during the tours, there's a lot of storage. I feel like everyone from up north is like, there's not enough storage. In this one, there's plenty of storage, okay? Plenty of storage. And if one flex room wasn't enough, you have another one. So maybe you guys both work from home or actually have that as your bunko room, right? Bunko room. Or is it Mahjong? I don't know how to play the other one. You guys can teach me. Move here, buy one of these, let's play game night. I wanna learn Mahjong. Mahjong, is that how you play? I don't know. I also like Monopoly, but this is a nice little flex area as well, which you could make it. I know a lot of people have their pianos and they have a music room or a media room. This would be a great option for that as well. But you probably couldn't hide from the people, the neighbors and stuff walking in the door, but great natural light. Now, those are just some of my favorite features. Now, there's a lot of them that you're gonna see while we do this walk around here. And there's so much to offer here in Northeast Florida. In general, this is just one model for one builder in one neighborhood. But we have hundreds of options here in Northeast Florida, which is so exciting. So if this maybe isn't checking the boxes, I promise you there is other ones that will check it too. If you didn't know, my name is Demi Judd and I love helping families relocate to the area, whether you are in a 55 and better community and the kiddos abducted the grandchildren and moved down here, one of the best ways that I've learned to handle these situations is the fact that you should also move here too. Your kids were stubborn enough to leave, so they're definitely not moving back. So the best option is for you to move here as well. It's honestly worked the best for everyone. And honestly, I have heard that it gives you more years of life. I mean, don't fact check me at all on that, but I'm pretty sure based on Demi psychology, absolutely, it 100% will make you younger. But no, I mean, we have the Fountain of Youth and all, but I wanted to just pop on here real fast. And then of course, we're gonna do that tour that you've been waiting on for the end. Thank you for being patient. I am Demi Judd. I'm a local, born and raised in the area. And if you haven't already, liked and subscribed to get all the tea on everything in Northeast Florida, this is the channel for you. And I'm the agent for you that you wanna work with, yeah. But before I just dive into this pool, let's go ahead and dive into this tour. Let's go check it out. This is the retirement you've been dreaming of. It's perfect. I mean, the resort style living in your own home, not even in your own backyard going to the amenities, which there are some pretty amazing amenities, and this neighborhood will have an exclusive amenity center in itself. But this is the exact reason why people live here. One, it is absolutely beautiful out. If you want to see what that's like, I'll actually have a link in the description because we are getting into some perfect weather that I know you guys don't have up there. And we have so many options when it comes to beach activities, outdoor activities. So if you feel like you're cooped up in your house all the time, again, still a great area. But my name is Demi Judd and I love helping families relocate to the area, which we've talked about and I've been able to share. And I would love to be able to get past the screen, truly meet you guys, and even have the opportunity to maybe abduct you myself and show you all around my hometown. But until next time, I'm Demi Judd, here to help you become a local in no time. I'll see you guys in the next video.